Hi folks, this is Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants, and normally it'd be one of our quick minutes. This one's not going to be quite so quick. I'd like to talk to you about one of the other services we offer at Alpha Building Consultants. This is a custom home being built for a gentleman and his bride. Every week I'm here. I work for the owner. I'm the owner's representative. So as the construction is progressing, I help the owner see things through a contractor's eyes. Except I work for him, not the contractor. So when I notice something like a drawer front that was in there where the wood grain was initially ordered incorrectly, in this drawer it was ordered in a vertical orientation, or rather, that's the way it came in. Immediately had it changed. I also bring some little tidbits in, blacking in the area through that pocket door. Now, of course, I'm doing all the typical looking for code defects, best installation practices, as opposed to simply, this is what my builder turned out. I work as a resource for the owner, where sometimes they're just not sure about what's acceptable or normal. This is the builder's, or at least the subcontractor's, second shot at trying to rework this bluestone. Initially, the gaps were off, the margins. So with what these folks are paying, I tap them on the shoulder and say, have you noticed this? Can you live with it? I couldn't, not for the price. So we called the builder, the tradesman came back, pulled it up, relayed it, and his gaps are still a little iffy in my opinion, but the owner's happy. Problem was the grout didn't match, so pulled him back, had him pull the grout. He believes he's going to have it with what he's done. But for a home of this caliber, we're walking in. One of the issues we had, you can't really see it here, but the carpet installer was about to put carpet in the bride's closet. We asked that he stop. I'm here every week. I bring it to their attention. There was going to be a bit of a step down between the tile floors and this carpet. So before the carpet went in, we had an additional material installed in the floor to raise it to where it's a flush unit. Depending on your builder, how well this works. If he will communicate, if he'll embrace this, we'll avoid problems. We had some issues with the drainage here, but before all this expensive stonework went in, we were able to sit and talk and work it out. He was willing in this case to get his tile man in before work ever started, before the tile man touched anything. We talked, we conveyed some information to the tile guy, wanted to know what products he was using, so that we knew everything would perform over time. And of course, as he was working, or his crew was working, I came behind him and was confirming that they were following the specifications that the physician lined out and wanted for his home. So we worked diligently to make sure their dreams happen and they get the product they're paying for. Anyway, this is Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants. Oh, I know what I'd like you to see. Helped the doc with this. He had something he wanted. So this is what we came up with. Can you imagine this corridor at night? So there's a reason you do phase inspections. I worked with the doc to make sure we had all the specs down for this. So when the electrician put it in, it would perform as intended. Same system we utilized in cabinetry. It's a good example. Yep. Sometimes we're hunting lights, or at least I am, for days. Now, if you'll notice, you see the illumination. You don't see any light fixtures. You don't see any shadows, okay? This is what I do. Help them find the products, help them achieve their goals, and then make sure it's done correctly. So if you're considering building a custom home, we have a package for you. And to be blunt, it's a drop in the bucket what we charge in comparison to what they pay the builder. Builder's out here monitoring it. He's putting a lot of work in, and he's liable. But it's a heck of a value. So if you're interested in a custom home in the metropolitan Jackson, Mississippi area, consider using Alpha Building Consultants as such, as a consultant, to help you make the home you want be more problem-free. This is Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants, and a not so quick minute. Y'all have a blessed day.